Thank you.
Come on, guys.
The lady told you?
No, what's up?
So there was a lady that came up to me and said that somebody over by America was assaulting a woman, but I told her to come get you guys. I don't know where she went.
American where?
She didn't tell me, that's what I'm saying. I told her to come get y'all. And
American what?
she just said over there somewhere, but I was like, okay, so do me a favor, there's a police officer.
I'll walk through. You're good.
Sorry about that.
No problem.
Bravo 31, carry.
10-4. Everything's 10-4. So it's at Echo 3.
That's my girlfriend. What the
Hey guys, have a seat.
We is good, bro. I'm having a whole bad day. No, that's my girlfriend. We is okay, bro.
Young man.
Yes.
Talk to me.
We just having a bad disagreement.
Yeah, y'all have been having a bad day.
A bad day.
And you almost didn't even make it out of here. So what's the problem
I'm
now?
trying to make it out of here right now. I'm good. You can ask her if she okay and everything.
Come on, young lady. Let's go take a walk. 31. I'm at Echo 3.
No, you're not.
Good morning.
Ask her. Talk to her.
Ma'am. You here with them or do you? Are you here with them?
I just sat out.
Pick another seat.
Yeah.
I appreciate you.
Right. I ain't trying to go to jail. You're getting close. I'm sorry. I'm trying to sit here on my gate and go. This is the same.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
Babe, you okay, babe? You alright? Everything alright, babe?
You gonna stop crying or talk to me? What's going on, man?
Bro. Like, we just having a bad shit. I gotta sit over here, bro. That shit. We get on a flight, go home, and go our way, bro. That's
Whatever it is, it's verbal, so you can still talk to me because no one saw anyone hurt anyway. Right? What's her name?
Her name is Gia. She good.
Okay.
You can talk to her.
No, you don't need to stop talking to me.
We're about tired of you, man.
Hey, do me a favor.
Listen to me.
Hey.
We're about tired of you, so stop.
Hey. Do me a favor. Stand over there with him, okay? You can leave it right there, man. Or put it in your pocket.
I'm about to.
Ma'am, do you need police assistance? Do you need police assistance, ma'am?
Listen, stop crying and just tell me what's up real quick. Okay? I'll help you out if I can. I'm not going to be mean to you. I'm not going to be a jerk, but you got to tell me what's up. Whoa. Wait, honey, I can't understand you if you're crying. So chill for a minute and then kind of give me an idea. Where are you guys going? You traveling together?
I'm going to Buffalo again. He has my plane ticket.
Okay. Are you guys married?
No.
Just boyfriend and girlfriend?
Why are we here again, man?
No, we just heard. So, I'm talking to you. We here because we had. Oh, please. Keep coming up talking to me. We here because we had a disagreement. That's it. Feel me? Then we was talking. We just keep having an argument back and forth.
Is this the ongoing argument that y'all?
No, we done with the argument. It's over. We was sitting there chilling, talking. You feel me? But it's people keep calling us, telling that my girlfriend is cheating on me. You know what I'm saying? And she telling me that she not whatever, and I'm believing her. I just want to get home. I just want to get home. That's it.
Were you fighting before you came to the airport, or this started here?
It started here.
Why?
First off, we got kicked off the first plane.
Why?
And then, because of an altercation, the girl thought she heard him say something. And then that altercation happened.
A girl like the employee?
Yeah, the employee.
Okay.
So then he got us kicked off the plane.
Okay.
And then, so I went with him because obviously he bought my ticket or whatever.
Right.
And then we came back, then he started screaming. Then we came here, he got a text message from somebody that said I was doing something, and he wanted to believe it and hit me in the freaking mouth with his phone.
So he wanted to believe some stupid shit on the phone.
Yeah, something on his phone.
Okay, that you were doing something wrong, but you weren't.
I'm the manager of 2 different records. Can I just go 40 pounds for a second?
He
has everything. Okay, so then he started to accuse you of whatever nonsense and it wasn't true.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what?
And he was on my face.
Okay, and then you were arguing back and forth after that?
No, that's what I screamed when I got
Oh,
hit.
you were screaming because he was up in your face?
No, because he hit me in the face with the phone.
With the phone. Okay.
I don't care.
All right, hold on, babe. Don't yell. Because here's the thing. When you guys were going there to Buffalo, you want to see your people or his people?
We live together in the apartment. We do. We live
Up
together.
there or down
Yeah,
here?
in Buffalo.
You and him live together in
yeah,
Buffalo?
we're coming from.
So you're going home.
Yeah.
You're not going to see somebody. Okay. Here's the thing. Forget what he's doing right now. You have to remain calm and be chill, or they're not going to let you fly. So, like, don't yell over there. Don't, like, get, like, with it, like him, right?
Ma'am?
Just listen to him real quick.
10.
Listen to him.
So, this is where we're at. You and him have a ticket to leave. Alright?
Bravo 30.
Ernie, go ahead.
This is your passport, correct?
Yes, we are. Thank you.
You've been trying to get out of here all day, right? Any more interaction with us, they're gonna cancel all of your tickets, and then you're gonna have to go to Miami.
That's what I was just telling her.
This is the last place you can actually fly out of at this time. You understand what I'm saying? What I'm saying is, we're gonna give you a chance to get on your plane and leave. But no more dramatics. No more dramatics.
Nobody was being dramatic.
Ma'am,
If
I'm not
you get
accusing.
hit in the face, you're not acting dramatic. I'm tired of letting this little slide embarrassing us throughout the whole
here's the thing.
airport.
Here's the thing,
I
man.
don't
You were
care.
talking to me a second ago. That's not the way you were talking to me.
Yeah, because he came in here
I'm gonna walk away.
doing something.
I'm gonna walk away.
Alright, so let me ask you a question, because I'm about to deny her boarding, but what about that gentleman? Is he...
One of them gotta get out of here.
Okay.
They've been going from gate to gate to gate, and probably airport to airport. Whatever they had issue, wherever they were at, but they're still together. So we need to separate them from out of here. They had an issue somewhere else here. She don't want to talk to me, but she's making accusations now about something that happened somewhere else. And I don't have time for that. We don't need any drama here. All right? So you can't cancel them. We can rebook them at separate, but we want them out. So he can go first, and then she can go on the next flight. Okay. Can you do that?
Yeah, we can do it.
You need the passport?
I have to go to work. I can't go.
Okay.
I can't even get to
What's your final destination?
Buffalo.
All right. Leave her there. He can go next. So, no. I'm making that decision right now. You're not leaving with him. Because whatever happened,
Yes.
it's still here.
Okay, no
Because y'all bought it here.
Right.
All right, so right now, you're going to walk out with this gentleman. We're going to rebook you. There's no more questions. There's no more. There's no more. No. Let's go.
Can I get on this?
No.
She get on the next one?
No.
I will pay for her to get on the
No.
next one.
I already told you.
Move.
I'm a patient. Stop talking to him, man. Just walk. Stop. Unless you want to go to jail. And that's a bond. All right, keep walking.
Guys, sorry.
Okay, put your hand behind your back. I'm not even doing that.
Hey, relax.
I ain't even doing bro. I just I'm pissed off, bro. Please, y'all. Please, y'all. Can you take me to my gate, man?
You're under arrest.
Please, can you take me to my gate, bro? Please, all I did was fall, bro. I'm pissed off, bro. I'm not acting stupid, bro. I'm really just mad as hell. Y'all don't understand what I went through today. I got a whole funeral to go to at 5 o'clock, and y'all not understanding this.
Ma'am, stay here.
Can I get the money at least, or or my charger?
He's not going to give it up, and I can't take it from
Oh,
him.
the charger in his pocket. My phone's gonna die.
I know, but
I have a stop somewhere though, sir. My phone's gonna die.
I will see if I can get it.
Pocket.
Please come back and sit down.
And he just got arrested.
I missed the funeral already, my great-grandmother. What the man, you really gonna let these people do this to me in the airport?
Doing it to yourself.
You love me? Like, that's crazy, bro.
The legal pivot in this case is one statutory word, and most viewers will miss it. Under Florida Statute 741.29, when officers find probable cause for domestic violence, they may arrest the suspect. Not shall arrest, may arrest. That single word separates Florida from roughly half of all states with mandatory arrest doctrines. Now examine what probable cause looked like on this footage. The victim told the officer, on camera, that the suspect hit her in the mouth with a phone. That single statement, contemporaneous and documented, is probable cause. Under Florida Statute 784.03, intentional unwanted touching causing harm is battery a first-degree misdemeanor. Combined with Florida Statute 741.28, this becomes domestic violence battery, a chargeable offense regardless of injury severity. The officers had clear probable cause for a DV battery arrest. They chose not to file it. That decision is not unlawful. It is the very discretion the statute grants. But every choice has a downstream consequence. A battery filed in Florida appears in any future criminal records check anywhere in the country. A battery not filed does not exist on paper.
That is crazy, my lord. That's crazy. Lift me up, guys. Please, can y'all lift me up? I'm not doing nothing. I'm contained, bro. Like that's, I'm contained, bro. It's only money in my stuff.
Hey, he's got a bunch of money. Can someone grab this?
Yeah, a lot of
Bro,
money.
can you please not arrest me? Can I go to the PI?
One, bring your knees up to your chest. 2,
I'm a drink, bro. Can you walk me to the gate, bro? Really did it like this, bro? That's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy, dude. That's crazy. I'm gonna calm down, Mr. Hall. Please just take me to my gate. Please, guys.
You're under arrest. You're going to jail.
In Florida, bro. I don't even know the laws out here, bro.
I don't know. They just said that I was right by myself. I
Ma'am,
didn't want to ride by myself.
he needs your boarding pass again.
He's right in front of my face. I hope they don't kick me off the flight either, because I have no money, no car, no
Ma'am,
nothing.
I'm gonna give you a refund. Okay, so you're gonna have to book it.
No,
in
sir,
a different airline.
sir, I don't have no. I really don't. He really got me here and paid for my whole trip. I can't. I really can't, sir. Can you talk to him about my review?
I can try, but
I really can't.
okay, calm down. Calm down. Again, please calm down.
I do everything for that girl. Everything.
She didn't put you in jail, buddy.
Everything. I just want to go home. I live all the way in Buffalo, New York. I got a whole flight. A funeral at 5 o'clock. What time is it? You get what I'm saying? I wasn't going to make it home to 8. I already missed my great-grandmother passing away. Like, that's crazy. Wow. What they do with the rest of my belongings, buddy? Can you talk to me?
No. Everything you were carrying on you, we got.
Okay, guys. Can anybody talk to me, though? Because this is, like, really, like, a lot.
Just wait.
You feel me? Like, I ain't never been to jail here. I have no family here, nothing. It's only me.
Everything to you.
I hear you. Please.
This one.
This place a corner. Damn, why you doing me like that? What the hell, guys?
You did this all to yourself.
Huh?
You did this all to yourself. You're told many times.
Listen to me.
I'm done listening to you.
Why are you on that?
Because I'm done.
You don't know how I feel. You don't know how I feel, bro. You don't know how I feel.
You said it enough.
Huh?
You said enough how you feel. We know your feelings. We're very concerned.
I understand that, but you're not saying I did stop. I did stop. You're not understanding what happened.
Okay.
I did stop. We were just having a talk. We was talking to each other.
Now examine the charges that were actually filed, both rooted in the airport venue. Florida Statute 810.08 defines trespass as remaining on premises after warning by an authorized representative. An airport gate agent qualifies as that representative. The repeated chances to comply preserved a clean legal record. Multiple compliance opportunities are not weakness. They are evidence that the eventual arrest was earned. The second charge, Florida Statute 877.03, is disorderly conduct. Acts that affect the peace and quiet of persons who witness them. Yelling, drama, and refusal to remain calm in a public airport corridor satisfies the statute. Both charges are misdemeanors. But together they accomplish what officers wanted: physical separation of the suspect from the victim. Now apply the constitutional doctrine. Under Whren versus United States, 517 U.S. 806, decided 1996, an officer's subjective motivation is irrelevant. If objective probable cause exists for the arrest is constitutional, even if officers had a different concern in mind.
Right then and there.
There's 100% no way to get her out of here.
Problem, what if she has a meltdown?
Well, I think the whole thing just had to do with him. Now that he's gone, she'd probably be fine. Now that they're separated and that this is done and over with, he's leaving. He's going to jail. So she's by herself now. I don't think there's anything to worry about with her at this point. She's by herself. But come talk to her. We'll do it, together and make sure. Listen.
He's gonna talk to you. Hear me out for a second. I get it, I understand, but hear me out. Last thing I want to have is a fine of 30,000 feet, because that's going to create a lot of problems for 150 to 70 passengers, all right? So I'm going to let you go. I'm going to let you go on board. I'm going to let you fly. Please, just keep it quiet, okay? Because it doesn't seem like it right now, but I understand there was a situation with that gentleman. So at this point, you're going to fly. Just, all right? So do not antagonize with staff or with flight attendants and more, okay?
Okay, your problem's now dealt with. He's gone.
You understand what he's saying, right? Like, they're going to let you go, but they're trusting the fact that you're going to behave and not argue with somebody else later. If you listen, I'm going to tell you this right now. I cannot be any more serious. If you guys get up in the air and one of those flight attendants says something and you say something back and it turns into an argument, they're going to land that plane the closest airport to wherever they're at,
take you to jail.
and they're going to take you to jail.
I've never been in a fight with
But here's what I told him. Now that dude is gone, you're going to be okay, right? Now that he's gone.
Is that your boyfriend?
Okay. Listen, it might be your boyfriend, and whatever happens when you guys get back to Buffalo is up to you. But right now, you said you have to get to work, right? Okay. So you got to be completely chill. Get on the plane, stay to yourself, take a nap, do whatever you gotta do, get off the plane, get your bags over there in fucking Buffalo, and go to work. His problem, he'll deal with it on his own. When he gets there, he gets there. You know what I'm saying?
The grades. The lead officer earns a B+. Excellent emotional intelligence with the distressed victim. Sophisticated separation strategy. Multiple compliance chances given before arrest. Post-arrest care for the victim was genuine. Points lost on the choice not to file the DV battery charge defensible under Section 741.29, but creates a documentation gap if the suspect reoffends elsewhere. The suspect earns a D pattern of disruption across multiple gates, repeatedly given chances and refused them. The minus, not full F, because he ultimately accepted custody without significant resistance and made no violent move toward officers. The lessons. For citizens, an authorized representative of any property, airline, store, or apartment can revoke your right to be there. Once a warning is given, every additional minute is a separate misdemeanor under Section 810.08. For domestic violence victims, in Florida, you do not control the charging decision, but officers may choose not to file when other charges resolve the safety concern. Asking, on camera, that battery be charged is not weakness. It is the cleanest record you can create at the moment. Reasonable minds may disagree on whether officers should have filed the DV battery here. Share your reasoning in the comments below, and subscribe for more legal breakdowns where the law speaks louder than the moment.